guys, so I just had to re-record this really quick update video because I had lipstick on my teeth and that was just not cute. So I wanted to update you guys on this wig that I am still rocking. It's been about 3 weeks. I just wanted to give you a really quick update on how it's doing. I got this wig from Hairsmarket and I still absolutely love this unit. I mean, I've been wearing it off and on for the whole time. So yeah. Now I know you guys see my buns and you like, oh, is that the same wig? This is not the same wig that you saw me rocking before in another video with my little struggle buns. This is not that wig. This is a totally different wig, but I styled it the same because I absolutely love this style. I think it's really cute. I'm not really going anywhere. I'm around the house, but I wanted to see if I can actually style it, you know, something different as opposed to wearing it just straight down and curly or flipped over or something like that. So as you guys can see, you can style it. The parting space is really good. I do have foundation and stuff in the parting space, so that's what you guys are seeing. I do have this wig adhered to my head using my Got to Be Glued Free Spray, and for the baby hairs I just have those down with some Got to Be Glued gel. So quick update on the wig. It's fine. It does shed a little bit when I wash it and comb it out, but that's normal. It's just like, you know, your hair, it's gonna shed just a little bit, but yeah, it's not nothing too crazy, and the wig is still holding up. The curl pattern is still really pretty. Absolutely love it. It doesn't tangle. I already spoke about the shedding. Yeah, it doesn't tangle. It's just a nice cute little wig, and it's really easy to put on. This is a really good wig, I believe, for beginners. If you are like just beginning with lace fronts or lace wigs in general, this is like a really good wig for you. I would definitely suggest purchasing it because it has the combs, it has the adjustable straps. If you guys did not see my first video on this unit, I would try to leave it down below in the description box so you can check it out. But yeah, I have no complaints about this unit. I think it's really cute. I love it. It's nothing bad to say about it. The company is pretty cool. I'm back and forth with them. If I ever have a problem, they respond quickly. So their customer service is on point. So on that note, you guys, I am going to go because it's hot. It's really hot. It's like really hot. I cannot do this summer stuff, y'all. Oh my god, it's crazy. But anyway, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. What? I just said that. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Comment down below whatever you want and I'll get back to you. Yeah, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell twice so that you guys can be notified of all my videos instead of just some of them, because a lot of you are like, where's your videos? And I'm like, I'm still uploading. It's just that, you know, you're not getting a notification. So hit that notification bell twice. And yeah, on that note, I'll talk to you all later. All of the details are in the description box. Bye. Talk to you later.